After dazzling the investors on Shark Tank, Flexscreen increased its national presence by licensing its technology to be manufactured directly by an elite group of window companies. Vinylmax is proud to be one of the first licensed Flexscreen manufacturers. The Flexscreen production line employs innovation and expertise to produce the world's only flexible window screens. PVC-coated spring steel is automatically formed into the precise size of the required screen frame. At the end of the bender, information about the screen, including its serial number and size, are laser-etched into each side of the screen frame. The operator places the frame on the overhead conveyor to feed into the welding station. Stage 1 removes the PVC coating from the two ends of the screen frame that will form the weld join. Then the steel is securely spot welded to make one-piece construction. The excess flashing is ground off, and then a PVC shrink-fitted sleeve covers the weld. Meanwhile, the screen mesh vending machine delivers a perfectly sized piece of FlexView high-visibility screen mesh. Operators position the mesh over the screen frame. The laminator then secures the mesh to the frame using both chemical and physical bonds by utilizing heat and pressure. The small perimeter of excess screen mesh is trimmed away. The operator performs a visual quality check of the finished screen and puts it on a sequenced cart for delivery to a window production line.